Hey guys, today we are back with another experiment, and today we will do Smoggy. And before we start, please like, subscribe and share this video and try it with your friends. What you need to make this experiment? A jar, water, aluminium foil, ice cubes, paper, lighter, what to do to make this experiment? Make a lid for the jar. Pour the water inside the jar. Move the water again from the jar. Twist a small paper. Put a few scraps of burning paper in the jar. Immediately seal the jar with foil and put the ice cubes on the top. After a little while, the air inside the jar will soon look smoggy.